used to run where the silence breaks, chasing storms and frozen waves. No ground beneath, no place to stay, just endless nights and endless days.
Every path I thought was mine was just wind drawing harder lines. But then you stood where I could see a different kind of gravity.
You don't pull me, you don't bind, you don't chain what you can't define. You just stay when I come undone, like the calm before I run. You're my anchor in the snowstorm, when the world turns sharp and cold.
You don't stop me, you restore me when I lose the grip I hold.
And I don't know how you do it, but you keep me close to ground every time I start to vanish. You are what brings me down.
I was built for breaking weather, for the crash of wind and ice. But I never learned the difference between survival and my life.
Then you stood without a warning, not a command, not a fight, just a steady kind of knowing that I don't have to ignite. You don't chase me, you don't bend, you don't break to make me mend. You just stay through every phase, through my fire-weathered ways. You're my anchor in the snowstorm, when I lose the sky I know. You don't cage me, you remind me where I don't need to go. And I don't know how you saw me when I barely saw myself, but you keep my heart from turning into something, someone else.